Did you know that many fitness myths from ancient times still influence our workout routines today? Let's uncover the truth behind these age-old beliefs. In this video, you will explore common fitness myths that originated in ancient times and examine whether they hold any truth or are simply misconceptions. Hey, Fit-Folklore squad, it's Noah here, and today we're smashing a myth hanging around forever. No pain, no gain. Let's set the record straight. Many people think that if you're not feeling sore or in pain, your workout isn't working. But guess what? That's just not true. Here's the real deal. Discomfort is normal as your body adapts, but pain? That's a big red flag. Pain could mean you're injured or pushing too hard. What's actually going to get you results is focusing on proper form, giving yourself enough recovery time, and listening to your body. Moving on, we're diving into an ancient fitness myth that's been lifting its head for centuries. Lifting weights stunts growth. Yup, you heard that right. For ages, people believed that pumping iron would leave you short. But hold on to your dumbbells. Modern science has flipped this myth on its head. Research now shows that, done correctly, weightlifting supports bone health and overall development. It doesn't stunt growth. In fact, it promotes strong bones and better posture, essential for a healthy, growing body. So, if you're worried about that growth spurt, lift away. Just focus on proper technique, balanced training, and safety. Got fitness myths on your mind? Thought balloon? Drop them in the comments. We want to hear from you. Dive into our other videos for game-changing health tips and epic wellness secrets. Smash that subscribe button and join the Fit Folklore revolution.